Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own book. So what you should have in each pack is a piece of string or yarn, 2 pieces of thick paper, and then a bunch of pages for the inside of thinner paper. So the thick paper, you're going to have one on the outside, in the front, and one in the back. You can decorate these however you want, make something pretty, or leave them white, whatever you'd like. So to make our book, we're going to bind a book. You're going to take your string and take one end and put it down into the hole of the bottom hole. And you're going to pull, 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 and leave a little 6-inch tail. Then you're going to go to the next hole and go up. So you won't see a line on the front, but in the back, there you go. Then we're going to go again. So we're going to go down to the back again. So we have a line and blank a line, and then we're going to go to the top. Then we'll do our official binding technique. So we're first going to go around the top edge and then back into the hole. So we're going to go around and then up through the hole, like that. Then we're going to do the same thing on the side right here. We're going to go around and then up. There we go. Uh-oh. I just want to make sure that, there we go. Then we're going to go across and then down that hole again. And see this edge is getting a little frayed? You can always take a pair of scissors, cut off the end. So we're in the back of the book right now, and then we're gonna go around like we did on the top hole, around and then back down and in. There we go. And as you can see, now we have 2 lines here, and now we're gonna go through the back, and then we're gonna go up. So there's going to be no blank spaces anymore by the time we're done. Again, we're going to go around and up. Just like that. And then we're going to go down. And around. There we go. I like to do a little knot at the end. You can knot it however you'd like. I'm just going to do a regular box knot. And then, if you want. So here we go. We have a bound book. Then you can write on the pages on the inside, and let's look at the back. So the back and the front look similar.